Bonjour! Bonjour!
No. Time for bladder check.
Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Rola. I'm gonna watch The 100 season 6 episode 8. The episode 7 was so great. If you want to see my reaction video about this one, I'm gonna put the link. I don't know where it is. It was really great because for once Clarke was in the front line. It was all about Clarke, just her, and her facing what she did wrong. Of course, they are not able to show good moments with Clarke, but that was really nice to see her facing Maya. Yes, to face Maya, to face Octavia, to not be able to face Bellamy because yes, she can't. Of course, she can't. Yes, I'm a Bellarker, if you don't know me. Of course, it had to be Monty to help Clarke in her mind, and of course, it had to be Bellamy to notice that Clarke was coding that thing about being alive in the real world, because I think that inside of him, he had a tiny little baby hope that she was still alive, and no one noticed that she was typing. Like, how can you notice that thing? Of course he noticed it, because this is Clarke, so everything that is not usual with her, he saw it. I'm so glad that he did, and his face at the end of the episode 7, him being so happy that she's still alive and he's gonna go to save her, that was nice. Because really during the episode 6 I was really not happy with the show, because I was not happy with Murphy. If you want to see my review about that, I'm gonna put a link. I'm not gonna explain it another time, but I was really unhappy and really angry with how they reacted to the information that Clarke was dead. Bellamy was sad, Bellamy wanted revenge, and after that he didn't want revenge. He was asking all of them to accept the fact that Clarke was dead, and that was so wrong, really. So to have him at the end of the episode 7 being happy that Clarke is alive and rooting again for getting revenge and saving her, that was nice. And also all of the references about the 100, about the last seasons during the episode 7, that was so great, with the drawings, of course. And if you are following me on Twitter, you saw that I made 8 pictures with a lot of references about connections between the drawings and what happened in the show. I spent a lot of time in it doing that, but it was so great to do it. If you want to see it, you can go on my Twitter. So yes, the drawings, but also Clarke from season 1, Clarke from season 2, Clarke from season 3, 4 and 5. That was also a good idea for the writers to do that. And yes, all the references, the 102, all of that, that was so nice. I really enjoyed the last episode. But if we really think about the last episode, it was really great because for once Clarke was in the front line and they were exploring her character and they were showing how she is inside of her, you know, how she's thinking about herself, how she's torturing herself with the bad thing that she did. So it was really great to see that. But in the real life, the only thing that really happened is the fact that Bellamy now he knows that Clark is still alive, so he's gonna save her. I cannot wait to see this episode where he's gonna tell everybody that Clark is still alive. When the time when he's gonna say that to Maddie, that's gonna be great. I cannot wait. So I'm sorry, but I'm not gonna talk more about what happened during the last episode. Again, if you want to see it, I'm gonna put the link for you. And let's go for episode 8.
It means Clark's alive. Don't try to control your hand, just let him move.
Yes. Octavia, are you okay?
First you man cures you, and then you put him in his brain. Look at us finishing each other's thoughts.
I love them. They're making a good team.
He loved her, didn't he? You can tell by the picture. She was just letting me get laid.
Trust me. You do not want to be armed.
She doesn't need a weapon to kill a man. I believe in her for that. It's like a badass Mary Poppins.
Because there's about 50 different ways I can kill you with them.
I said it. You're taking care of her?
It's me.
Yes, please, thank you.
Use. Two serpents. One guarded.
Yes.
You look pretty good for an old man.
Is Gabriel?
Say hi to Gabriel.
You saw the scar. It's up to you.
I want to trust him, but I'm not sure I can.
I got a bad feeling about this.
Yes, me too, but not about him. I have a bad feeling about what is happening, but about him, I want to trust him. I really want.
Glory and grace and praise.
For the glory and grace.
Oh, stop with that sect, that cult, that.
Gavin wants this. Don't you, Gavin?
More than anything before.
Oh no. That's so wrong. Please.
Look at it.
Yes, because she knows that this is wrong.
How long until after months?
Best guess, 36 hours. Less if you can't keep on your side of the divide.
Oh, 36 hours to save Clark.
I just need to stay awake long enough.
Josie, we have a chance to erase this sin. To give Clark her body back, to put you in a willing host.
You want that?
Are you out of your mind? If we bring her back, she'll kill us all.
Yes! And she's gonna be right to do that.
Not if we do the right thing.
No.
Stay
There
here.
is
I'll
no
have Jason
right
to
thing
Clark's
to sacrifice people, even if they are okay with that. They are still
Give
dying.
you a second chance, you take it.
I want Clark to kill Josephine so hard. One of you said on the comment of the last episode that I was in love with her. Are you crazy? I said that she was dumb, that she was a bitch like several times. No, I hate her.
Hey, gotta get her back. The transport ship lands will be waiting in the
It's
field.
measuring
We'll fall
her.
back on ownership. But well,
What about Delilah? If Clark's still alive, then she could be too.
Yes.
You only care about Clark.
it's not true, but worry about Clark for now. We started
Clark
after
first.
Let's figure out
I
why.
can't figure it out if they're dead.
Is that your idea? Or should have us?
Who cares if it works? I've been surveilling the one named Miranda.
He's trying to protect Maddie. He knows that something is wrong with her.
Locking themselves inside the palace, probably the Great Hall, and that's where we'll be waiting to take out the rest. But what we do know is I'm the commander.
Ooh!
Echo thinks it's a good plan. Don't you, Spy?
A little aggressive for the situation.
If we were willing to kill all of their people along with them, when they come after us, we're killing their gods.
We have until she lets us come up with a quiet way to get Clark on it.
But what about Murphy and Morty?
For now, we tell him nothing.
More too.
We have to assume that she's with him.
Yes.
Don't worry. When it's time to go, we're
I'm
taking
sorry
it.
about that, but
Even if we
I
have to
agree.
do it by force.
Murphy, really, what they are doing with his character during this season, I don't like that. He was evolving and now he's back with Murphy from season 1.
I killed Clark.
Thank you, Emery.
I'm not. She said you made a deal with him.
Thank you!
Clark. They built us another sanctum. What I want to know is what's in it for you.
Thank you!
Only immortality.
No, please.
What? John? What is this?
You're gonna ask me.
Maury, I love you. And look how I know it.
I'm gonna cry, but no, I want to have an episode of The Red without crying.
You make me want to be. And we've been through so much and survived so much.
I'm gonna ask her. Oh!
What are those?
Mind drives. One for each of us. First they make us night bloods.
No! Okay, he's not asking her to marry him, he's asking to share immortality with him, so that's better than just married, but no! I can't enjoy that moment. Really.
Sorry to interrupt. Where's Riker? Riker!
I was really like almost crying and boom!
It's Clark, right?
No, not anymore.
Unfortunately, the answer to that is not a straight up no.
So what do you mean it's not a straight up no?
It's gonna.
Is she with us? I'm with you.
You didn't know that Clark was still alive, Murphy?
Let's get to know each other. But first, I need your help getting your friend out of, well, her own head.
Murphy, please.
Welcome to the party.
I hate you so much.
Great. We're all on the same page. Wow. I feel us coming together as a team already, don't you?
No. Please, Murphy.
When my last buddy died, he finally wiped Xavier and brought me back.
Oh.
I killed him in a fit of rage. He assumed Xavier's identity out of shame.
Did you hear that?
You're hearing the voice of your child? Why are you facing? Bellamy? Gabriel is seeing Josephine. Diosa is hearing her daughter. And she's seeing Bellamy. I thought it was gonna be
What?
Lincoln, you know.
And then you're gonna help me kill her once and for all. How does that make you
Please
feel?
don't do that,
She's
John.
lying.
Like I said, for the evolution of this character, for me the next step is to be loyal to the group.
No,
So,
I'm doing this.
That's
Why
your
are you?
challenge right now. That's your dilemma right now, John. You have to make that choice now.
Didn't think so. We made contact with the central nervous system.
We don't have anything like that here.
Actually, we do. I'll be right back.
Please tell me that you are bluffing, you are just gonna tell the others about that.
I think we're gonna be great friends.
No, shut up, Josephine. You're such a pain in the ass. I hate you.
I approve.
Shut up! Nobody cares about your opinion. Really, Maury? You are doing that?
Thanks for this. See ya.
No, please. Don't. Tell them.
Help me. Clark's alive.
He knows.
You already knew. Why didn't you tell me?
Oh, that's gonna be awkward.
Because I'm with John. No, me. You're wiping her today. That's what this is for.
Help her, help her.
I take it it's no time.
Yeah, we need a plan to get Clark now. Something other than killing him. Where the hell's Maddie?
Maddie, don't do anything stupid. Kid, stop.